Good morning, Central Texas. Happy Tuesday. We're waking up this morning with some rain on the way. You can see a couple of rain droplets on our live cam here downtown Temple. A little bit of rain, but when I say little, I truly mean little. Here in Temple, that is. We are seeing some isolated showers move across the entire viewing area, mostly the southern half of the viewing area. And there's a few pockets of where you're going to hear thunder. And pockets, this is what I mean, like brief nuggets. We heard a little bit of thunder here at the viewing area here in our station, but things as far as severe weather, thunderstorms looking a little bit more impressive, that chance is not going to come until we're ending off our Tuesday. So anything you see now up until later on this evening, it's going to be mostly isolated between widely scattered as well. Coverage is going to favor a bit more further southeast too. So Brazos Valley, College Station, you guys really want to keep a close eye on that live radar, which we do provide on our 6 News app. I will say as we head into this afternoon, we may have a little bit of a break, but as we get into later on, as this boundary is going to begin to close in on us, that is when those storm chances are going to rise, because if you can see, majority of this line is blue, but where you start to see the red contour at the tail end of it, that is letting us know that that is a stationary boundary. So the system is going to be weakening essentially. It's not really going to provide us with that cool air. We'll start to feel that cool air. It's going to try to make its way here, but it's not going to be successful of doing so. And so what happens is moisture is going to mix in, and that is what's leading to multiple chances of showers and thunderstorms as we head into later on this evening, especially our general area, our western counties. You guys typically always see most of our heavy rainfall events, especially as of lately. So you really want to keep a close eye on that system as we're getting into the later parts of today. I will say though, good news is timing wise, many of us should be in the bed, should be asleep, depending upon what you do for a living. If you do work overnight, many of us here at Texas Today, we're likely going to be coming in around when the tail end of these showers are going to be working its way in and out of here, and we may still see a couple of lingering showers until the start of your Wednesday morning. Rain chances are still going to be possible into Wednesday, but just not quite as active. Once again, as I mentioned, this is all influenced by this boundary that is going to be lingering, but we'll also be watching for some upper level energy to allow these rain chances to continue even once that front is well beyond us, because we'll have an area of low pressure to our north and an area of high pressure to our south. What that's going to do, it's going to just keep all the moisture filtering in day by day, and that's why rain chances, as you can see, as we head into this weekend, heading into graduation weekends, many of the kids having the last couple of days of school, Memorial Day weekend, and we're still looking at rain being possible in our forecast. So it's not looking like a dry weekend ahead here for us. That's why you really want to make sure you're up to date with the latest forecast. Over the next 7 days, we could likely see an additional 2 to 3, possibly 4 inches of rain. So it's going to be quite wet and moist. We're going to have the storm energy in the atmosphere to support some of those showers and storms in turning severe. Multiple rounds of that is going to be likely, so we'll also make sure we're keeping up to date with the latest forecast from the Storm Prediction Center. Any more risk of severe weather moving into our area. Here's a live look outside our Killeen Regional Airport cam. It's not quite as gorgeous. You guys know I love this shot here for us. Normally it's a beautiful sunrise there for us, but not the case today. Many clouds are going to be there. Here's another confirmation that the cold front is not going to have much faith of making its way here, because temperatures barely drop. That's really because of increased cloud coverage, and once again, maybe those winds shifting a tad bit more. But 80s expected every single day. Rain chances expected every single day. So as usual, now's the time. If you haven't already, make sure you have a way to receive live radar updates 24/7, which you can scan that QR code, and that's going to take you to your smart TV app as well as on your smartphone. We'll have more 6 News and weather coming up for you after the break.